In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Pipedrive API Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to copy your key safely so you can connect Pipedrive to other tools. First, open the Pipedrive website in your browser. If you're taken to a welcome or setup page, that's fine. We just need to get into your account. Click the login button and sign in with your usual credentials. Use your work email for the correct workspace and make sure you have access to the account where you want to use the API. If you use single sign-on, follow that prompt as you normally would. Once you're in, head to Setup. Depending on your view, you might see Setup in the main navigation or after opening a menu. The goal here is to reach your profile and settings area where personal preferences live. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for your account menu. This is usually your profile picture or initials. Click it to open the drop-down. From that list, choose Personal Preferences. This section holds your profile information, regional settings, and crucially, the API area we need. Inside Personal Preferences, find and click the API option. It's typically a tab or item near the top. This page displays your personal API key. Think of this key like a password for software. It authorizes apps and integrations to talk to your Pipedrive account on your behalf. Because of that, handle it carefully and never share it publicly or paste it into screenshots or shared documents. To use it, copy the key shown on the page. There's often a copy button to make this easier. Then paste it into the integration or tool that's asking for your Pipedrive API key. Most apps immediately validate it, and you'll be connected within seconds. If the tool doesn't recognize it, double-check that you copied the entire key without extra spaces. A few quick tips to keep you secure and productive. Treat your API key as confidential. If you think it may have been exposed, use the regenerate option on the same API page to issue a fresh key and update any connected tools. If you don't see the API option, you might be in the wrong account or have limited permissions. Check with your admin. And finally, keep this page bookmarked if you manage multiple integrations. It's the fastest way to retrieve or refresh your key when needed. That's it. You've successfully found and copied your Pipedrive API key, and you're ready to connect your systems.